Hey guys, this is not an how to do pattern video, sorry. This is me showing you what issues I encountered doing this necklace and telling you how I solved them. If you want the patterns for the robe or for the flowers, please comment and I will give you the links from where I took them. I'm not going to make them. But I'm going to tell you how I mix these two together, because this is one from one place and this is from another place. So I'm just going to show you my issues, what problems I had and how I managed to solve them. So first of all, was attaching the flower to the, let me see if I can put some light. Okay, much better, to this part. So in the tutorial I found it was just make the rope, make the this part, and that's it. It should theoretically go. Yes, it theoretically goes, but as soon as you put some weight on it, it will drop. So when you want to attach the flower to this thing, you first make the square part and then you go with the thread from the flower. This is it's flat, so you just go with the bead, with the thread around this and this, so you make it stuck. Now the second issue I encountered was that the flower was too heavy and it kept falling from my chain. Now what I did, I sew in one part. It's sewed in on one of my petals, so this one is fixed. So this thread is, this chain is fixed. So only this one, with only this one you can adjust the length of the necklace. Then I encountered another problem, because as soon as I let the chain down like this, how it's supposed to stay, the petals kept falling. Like maybe I didn't use enough tension, maybe my thread was too thin, so the petals were not very stiff, so they couldn't stay, they just keep falling. Now what I did was I went on the back and I just tied some knots around my petals so that they stay together. So that's all you have to do. Please, if you want the pattern for this, I'm gonna give you the link from the lady that I took it from, also from the chain. I'm just here to tell you how I managed to combine these two and make it work so that it doesn't fall, so that it's actually usable, because I didn't, the flower in the necklace in this, where I found the chain video, it was maybe easier, not as heavy as this one, so it would have stayed. But in any case, I don't know how else you can. I didn't find, honestly, I haven't looked so much, so I didn't find that. Maybe this is the way you do it, I don't know. But as I said, one is fixed. I sewed it in for the petal. With one you adjust, and then you just in the back, if you see your petals are falling a little bit down, just do a little, but in the back, because if you do it in the front, it won't be you will make it that the pattern of the flower won't be so nice. But if you do it in the back, you see, for example, here you can see there is one thingy, but in the front is not visible. So just do a little bit of tidying it in the back, and then it's going to be fine. You only have to do the top part, because if you hold the necklace like this will be okay. See, even if they're like this, it's okay, because they will be down. So I chose that the blue is up, so it's going to be like this. As I said, I fixed this to the thread. Hope it helps. And as I said, if you need the links to the flower or to the chains, I'm happy to give them. I'm not going to make them, they're not my patterns, I took them from YouTube, from somebody, so I'm not going to copy them. I'm just saying how I put them together and how I fixed my issues. Hope it helps, and Have a nice day.